Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm making a French toast sandwich with avocado, bacon, and just a little bit of maple syrup. It's really yummy, guys, and I think you'll love it. I'm Rockin' Robin, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right after this. So to start off our recipe, I like to take a nice shallow bowl so that it's big enough that I can get my whole slice of bread into it when I'm dipping it in the egg. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack my egg and place it in the bowl. And I like to add a little bit of milk to my egg just to kind of thin it out a little bit. And then I like to add a little bit of vanilla extract and some cinnamon and whisk that up really well. So I've already cooked my bacon. As you can see here, it's nice and flat. And if you want a tutorial on how to make your bacon nice and flat and just evenly cooked, I've got a video for you. I'll leave it link for you down below in the description of this video, so check that out. We'll also need to work on our avocado. So all we're gonna do here is I'm gonna slice up my avocado, scoop it out, put it in a bowl, and add some salt and mash it up until it's a nice, soft, smooth consistency. So now we're ready to start cooking. I've got my grill pan here over medium-low heat, and I'm gonna place some butter in the pan and kind of spread it around because I like to use butter with my French toast. It just makes it taste the best. Now I'm gonna take a piece of my sourdough French bread. That's what I'm using today. You can use whatever you like, whatever's your favorite. And I'm gonna dip it into the egg mixture and let it soak in there for a little bit. And then I'm just going to place it right on my pan and then soak my second piece. So when you're cooking this, you want to take a peek every once in a while. I turned my flame up to medium heat because I want it to get nice and brown. And you want to peek under there and have a look. It's coming along. It's almost there, but it's not quite enough for me yet. It's just about there though. And then we'll flip it over and we'll cook it on the second side, you know, another couple minutes or until it gets nice and golden brown, the egg gets cooked. All right, our French toast looks to me like it's done. Let's see the other side, looking good. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we'll just place it here on our plate and then we can put it all together and enjoy. Okay, so all we need to do now is place some avocado on our sandwich here. Nice little layer. I like avocado, it's nice and healthy, adds a nice fat to this breakfast. So place on some bacon. You gotta add some maple syrup. Now, here I like to just add just a drizzle. Now I heated up my maple syrup, and this is real maple syrup, not the imitation. So just a nice little drizzle for some flavor. A little bit of sweetness. Put the top on and you're ready to eat. I cannot wait to take a bite out of this sandwich, or in fact eat the whole thing, because I know how yummy this is. I've had these several times now and they're a real favorite in my house, and I hope you guys try them. Now they are a little messy with your fingers because you got the butter in the French toast and it gets on your fingers, but that's okay because we got lots of napkins, you know, we can use those. Here we go. Need your napkins. That is delicious. You've got that hint of the maple syrup in there, kind of just floating through, not too heavy on the syrup, not too sweet at all. You got the avocado, that nice rich flavor. You've got the French toast with the, the vanilla and the cinnamon, which is just out of this world. And of course the bacon, which just rounds it all out. Super recipe, guys. So much fun to make, very quick to make, and reasonably healthy. I mean, it's not something I eat every day, but when I want to indulge a little bit, this fits the bill. So good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to eat this. Be sure and click the subscribe button if you want to subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. And leave me a comment. You have any recipe requests? I'd love to hear about it down in the comments. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Enjoy.